Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign onto YouTube on your LG Smart TV. Now, this video is going to be useful for individuals. Let's say that you have your LG Smart TV. How do you actually go and sign in? So the first thing that we want to go ahead and do is click onto the YouTube app, and it might take a couple minutes to install. And then you're going to see this thing that says sign in with your phone. So using your phone's camera, you want to scan this QR code. So let me hop into what that looks like. So once you scan into that, hopefully you're already logged into your YouTube account on your phone. You want to click on continue. And then you want to make sure that this code matches the code on your TV. And then if it does, click on continue. And then we're going to choose the account in which you want to use YouTube on your TV for. So this is for example. Then click on allow. Now, once you've done that, let me go ahead and show my screen on TV. This is the next prompt that's going to appear. So now it's going to ask who's watching. And because this YouTube profile here has YouTube Premium, I'm going to click on this one here. And then if you give it a couple of seconds, it's going to get my profile ready. And there you have it. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and sign into YouTube on your LG Smart TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.